works. It's
alive!
It's
It's
alive!
alive! Well, there's the first startup of the engine on the airplane. It started up. I had to change the battery to an old battery, and it just didn't have enough. Activate that starter with under the compression. I've been fighting that. We've got that lightweight starter on there, and they take a pretty good charge to keep them going. And those little Odyssey batteries work pretty good, but they start fading after a couple of years, even though they still have a charge and stuff in them and still test good. They just don't have quite enough oomph, and then that causes those little flyweight starters to go bad. Anyway, I could see that was happening. I ordered a new battery and stuck it in, and she pumps it right around there. It sends it right around. Got it running again. Started it up again. Everything is looking really good on it. It starts good now. The alternator is working. The battery is charging. There's oil pressure. All of the fuel lines are dry. Right now it's feeding off the right tank, so that's working good. We've had it feeding off the left tank when I started it last night. So it's all looking really good. Just let it run just a little bit here and let the alternator kind of put a little bit of a charge back on that battery, the new battery, so it's good. It idles down real good. It's down to about 500 RPM now, and it's idling really good. That's an important thing on floats. You don't have any brakes on floats, and then there's not much resistance in the water, so you got to be able to slow down, come into tight spots and stuff. So having it idle down is really important, and it's idling down. As I said, that's 500 RPM, and it's running good there. Can't leave it